And these are the beautiful vibes of the 14 falls here in Kenya. Take a look.
Murakaza neza Kigali mu Rwanda.
Bujumbura is very good.
Welcome to Zanzibar. Welcome to Jambiani.
Karibu Nairobi kwetu.
And welcome to
Mombasa.
And welcome to Zanzibar.
Karibu Coco Beach, Dar es Salaam. Hey, what's up my good people? It is me, Osi, the born child, one more time, still enjoying beautiful Kenya. And I'm not alone this time, I'm with the designated driver, the man himself. Bro, what's your name?
Mwakazi Fitness.
Mwakazi Fitness. You see the muscles, and in the back we have the lady,
Simple Lady P.
Simple Lady P.
Yeah.
Guys, go check them out. We are on our way going to check out the 14 falls, the most requested. I've been testing people asking for recommendation for places to check or activities to do, and the 14 falls are by far the favorite. So let's go and see what the 14 falls have to offer. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be giving you details down here, everything about the 14 falls. Sorry, you said this is the road that goes where?
To Garissa, Somalia.
To Garissa.
Garissa in Somalia.
And which side is the one that goes to?
The other road that goes to Nanyuki, Isiolo, it goes all the way to Moyale and into Ethiopia.
Oh,
A very nice road, by the way.
nice.
Recently, it's a very new road actually. From Marsabit, Samburu, the scenic beauty is amazing.
But actually, the government of Kenya has initiated in roads. That one, I salute.
It's a place where they make the bags, the breathing bags, and also the size of bags. Yeah, before they were banned.
They are now banned, so someone cannot use paper.
We no longer use paper bags in Kenya.
Okay.
We use
The
woven
factory
bags.
is now dead.
Yeah. So I think the factory is
Now
done now.
dead,
Yeah.
and so many people are jobless now.
Oh yeah.
So with the closing down of factories, most people lose their jobs.
Definitely. We came from we started from Georgia, right?
Started from Juja,
Like Thika Road,
yes,
Murasi
into Thika town.
into Thika town.
Now we are at Makongeni,
Yeah.
heading to 14 Falls.
Okay.
Heading straight, we're going to a place
what should I call that? With light skins.
Arubinas.
No, not albinos. Just light skins.
No.
No.
In fact, they're the darkest people we know. They are so dark, they can sweat kiwi.
The Sudanese.
Yo, kisses come in the comment section and redeem or come after this guy. But dark but beautiful, right?
Yeah, they're not bad. But their tempers are always very high. Their tempers are always very high.
Yeah.
They need sugar cane to lower them down.
You know, currently Kisii have a fight because of one of their own.
Embarambaba.
Embarambaba. Okay.
Land of Embarambaba.
Okay, so we are going to land of Embarambaba. We just left with about 15 minutes to 10 in between there. And we're gonna be showing you the 14 falls. I know you're gonna be amazed. What is that side?
So that is Kilimambogo.
The hill kind of.
Yes,
yeah.
that is Kilimambogo. Now when you're going to 14 Falls, the landmark that you should have in mind is the Kilimambogo.
I'm driving towards Kilimambogo.
Yes, so we are driving towards Kilimambogo. Now where we are branching off, that's when now we'll connect to where we are going. We get to 14 Falls.
Okay.
So that's our landmark.
Okay, so we are aiming Kilimambogo and still cruising. The man on the wheel, I don't know. I never thought fitness people also have to drive. We could have just jogged this journey.
No. It's so okay. Do you want to jog like 50 kilometers? If you want to jog 50 kilometers,
could have just woken up early in the morning and jogged all the way here.
Then you come back in a coffin. So guys, that is Kilimambogo, Mount Kilimambogo, and my assumption, because in Kiswahili, Mbogo are the buffaloes. So I don't know whether it's associated with the buffaloes, but that's my assumption. Guys, tell us on the comment section below, why do you think it's called Mount Kilimambogo?
So guys, I want to show you a little bit. This is how the extension looks like, where you branch off, where there is old Dondo Sabu, and this is the view. This is our car of the Stensen, the last stop or the branch off area if you're going to the 14 Falls. So now let's be going. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm seeing, but this is the 14 Falls adventure by the country government of Kiambu. And yo, what am I even doing here? Let me go and feel the adventure itself. Yo, my people, we are here at the 14 Falls, and we're going to confirm, are they 14 or more than 14? So there is a very beautiful spot that side that you can go to and have a beautiful look of the falls as they look, like that side. But you know, to reach there we have to use the boat, and we're trying to negotiate the prices for the boat. It is a task, and when they say hard work pays, this is what they meant. Pull it, homie, pull it, pull it. You know what's funny? It feels like it's pulling to the other side,
Again,
but indeed we are pulling this side. this is now pulling. Is it against the gravity?
Yes, because water is coming this way.
Yeah.
So he has to pull against
Against the gravity.
And those other guys are a bit stuck. Because they are mainly in one boat.
But we have ours like VIPs. Bro. Yeah. This is the transportation system. I don't know if we came by boat or we came by rope. So apparently it rained so hard yesterday that this whole place was flooded. Like nobody could access this area. We're so just fortunate that we came on a day when you can actually come over here. But yo, and you know the water now looks dirty because it rained. Having rained, it means the trenches are clearing. But now we start the counting. Beautiful. You asked me, are they real 14 falls? To me, I think they are more than 14 falls and they are underrated. Somebody needs to do them justice. My name is Ossi the Born Child. Until next time, you guys make it a point to subscribe, turn on the bell button, like, share and comment. Until next time, as I said, I'll be seeing you in another one. Bye-bye. And now let me enjoy the views of the 14 falls here in Kenya.